video. I hope you guys are good and you guys are still coming fine. So the last part of the video, it was basically me showing you how to create the database for Vuforia and stuff like that. For this part of video, we basically gonna now start to build the actual car configurator. So we are working from the project that we have already created. So for some of you who find this tutorial at this point in time, I would suggest that you watch this playlist so that you can keep up with us, because this is being developed from the other playlist, so you will need to have your projects ready and going. Ne? So without any further waste of time, we have already developed the scene, the original scene. My original scene was this one. We already have this scene operating and working from the last project. So now, instead of me trying to configure my car, I'm too lazy to configure my car from scratch, like how it was looking. So I'm gonna have to find an easy way to get stuff done. As they always say, sometimes you need to have that lazy bone to you to get stuff done very fast. You don't have to repeat stuff over and over again. So what we're gonna do now, I'm gonna open the new project, and then for me to have my configured car into this project, I will then drag a sample scene, and then I look for the model only. This is the model that we want. Then I can drag it here, and then I look for the canvas, the one that is changing the colors. I'm also gonna drag it there, and then I come to these three dots next to the scene. Then I discard changes on this scene because I still want to use it later. I don't want to save that scene. Then I remove it entirely off that scene. So once that one is done, then let's start making sure that our project can be able to appear right on top of that. Our car will appear right on top of that image target. So for us to be able to do that, make sure that the 3D model is a child of the image target. Once you have the 3D model being the child of the image target, it means now the image target will trigger the visibility of your 3D model. So let's move this 3D model right on top of the image target. Let's make sure that it's there. So you got many ways for you to scale it down. You can either use this scale to scale it down like that, or you can come to the toolbar here and select the middle block and scale it down like that. So we're gonna scale it down like that, and then the next thing, you have to move it until it fits perfectly here on your image target, right? You have to move it perfectly so that it's able to appear right on top of your image target. So mine, it's here, it's already appearing nicely here. So what I'm gonna do, I'm basically done because I've got all the file that we needed. I'm gonna remove the camera switcher. We already have the material selector, and we got our 3D model. So that means we can now then test our project and see on camera how does it look like. So if you have followed from the last video, you will be able to quickly be able to get your projects done like this. With that being said, Allah leaders, let's keep creating, let's keep building.